Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to make a tutorial about Spotify. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you guys that how actually I got premium for free. So if you want to learn how to do this as well, then watch the video until the end guys. I'm going to share all the steps I did for myself so you can learn also you how to do it on your own, okay? So guys, as you can see I have my phone on my hand. Also you have to grab your smartphone. It doesn't matter the device you have, iOS or Android. The steps are going to be the same. I'm going to show you from the beginning what you have to do. We are going to get a code which you can redeem it after in the store to get the premium for free, okay? So I'm going to show you also how to activate the code as well. So first thing, you have to go to internet browser and search this site called lulucoupons.com. When you enter inside, you're going to find the first one here. You just need to press get the code and then show coupon code. We need to wait a few seconds the circle to get complete until the end. This is to check the validity of the coupons left on the site. Once it's going to be done, it will show up the code is locked, so we need to unlock the code. And then it's taking us to the next page when it's required to complete a little task in order to unlock the code for free. It's very simple to do it, just read the instruction. It says download the complete 2 apps below to unlock Spotify Premium promo code. You have a note, do not use VPN or proxy. If you are using VPN or proxy, turn it off before, guys. Down below, you're going to find this list of the apps, which you need to choose 2 apps from the list to complete it as a task. As you can see, they have different description. Try to find which is the easiest one so you don't lose too much time. Most important is that all the apps are for free. You don't have to pay anything. And all the apps are from official stores, which it means that are from App Store or Play Store, depends on the phone that you have. So how it works, you just need to press on it. It shows again what you have to do. Unlock now. It's going to take us to App Store because I'm using an iPhone. If you're using an Android, it's going to take you to Play Store. And from there, you need to download the app and then you need to complete the task required as per description. So I'm going to complete 2 apps, guys, and then I'll come back to you. I will not record everything, not to make the video too long. And after I complete 2 apps, I'll show you how to reveal the code and how to activate it, okay? So here we are, guys. We just completed 2 apps. I did first the Snake Lash and then Family Island, the second one. So now what you have to do, you have to get back to your internet browser one more time. Okay, I did this too. And then you have the back button over here, guys. Okay, for iOS and for Android, you should have here. So you press back, and as you can see, the code get revealed, guys. If you try to get back without completing the task, the code probably is going to be locked again. Or if you didn't do it the instructions correctly, the code probably is going to be locked again. So you need to redo it from the beginning. Okay, guys, this code now I'm gonna put here on the my Spotify account. Okay, so I just have to go here to profile and then to scroll it down. Here is the redeem, and here we're going to put the code. All right, so we'll put the code and then we need to complete this captcha. I'm not a robot. And then as you can see, it got activated successfully, guys. All right, so this is it, guys, in short words. If you have any question, just let me know in the comment section. I'll try to help with everything you need, guys. See you in the next videos. Cheers.